Hi everyone, it's Keith Hockton calling you from Penang in Malaysia, and I just wanted to show you the new apartment that we've just moved into about a month ago. So we're just kind of getting in and we've got settled. I'm just going to pan around a little bit so you can see. Obviously the kitchen is there, and what you have behind me is a really quite a large living space, as you can see. So we've got 2,200 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, kitchen, maid's room. We've got an office, which is just back here. But the really cool thing, which is what I want to show you, is the views. And it was the real selling point. So this apartment, 2,200 square feet, it rents out for $950 a month. And this is really what you're paying for. I mean, great apartment, but this is really it. So I'm just going to pan around slowly, and you can see the beach directly below me. So we now live on this beach, and you can see how many people are on it. It's about as crowded as you'll ever see it. The nice thing in the background is that you've got views of mainland Malaysia, and that's Pulau Tikas Island as well. So it's just a little island out there that we can kayak to. You can see the water's very calm. And if I pan around just a little bit, I just want to show you the apartments on that side. These guys are quite new, and they're 6,000 square feet, and they rent out for $2,000 a month. So 2,200 square feet, $950 a month. 6,000 square feet, $2,000 a month. And I know that anywhere in the US, in Miami or any of those kind of places, these apartments, those apartments especially, will be renting out for about $10,000 to $12,000 per month. And you can do that here in Penang. So $2,000 a month gives you 6,000 square feet of luxury. And I'm just going to pan around again, just so you can see the beach, which is quite incredible. And it really is quite spectacular. So guys, Keith Hockton from Malaysia. Just thought I'd call in and say hi and see what kind of week you're all having. I'm going to leave you with that amazing view and wish you a great week ahead. Okay, take care. Bye.